All right, everybody. I got another review. I'm here with my brother-in-law. He just got his new gaming monitor. It's 240 hertz gaming monitor. I'm going to go around it so you guys can see it. It's called an Omen X25F. Let's go around it so you guys can see exactly what the box looks like. There's that. Okay. So, Eddie, what'd you say this has on the back now? He said this has, you can point at them,
hertz,
240 hertz.
1 millisecond response time.
1 millisecond response time right there.
And I believe the 25F stands for FreeSync.
FreeSync.
Which is made by AMD, but
Ooh.
now it's compatible with NVIDIA.
Oh, a G-Sync. Okay, I see that with both. It's compatible with both.
Right, so it doesn't have G-Sync, but it has
It's compatible,
the FreeSync that even though before you could only use G-Sync with NVIDIA and FreeSync with AMD. Now
it's
mixing.
intertwined.
Yeah.
Great. Okay, that's great. All right, so this is our thing. We're going to unbox it over here so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, you're going to hold that while I unbox it? Okay, got it. Let's cut this open. All right. You got this from Amazon or Micro Center or what?
Best Buy. Only Best Buy has it right now.
Only Best Buy has it? Oh,
Yep.
I didn't know that.
For some reason, they're
It's
not.
it's only exclusive to Best Buy.
For now, I believe.
Oh, wow.
It
Why is
recently
that?
came out, and I don't know why.
You know why? Oh, you don't know why. It's just a random.
Yeah, and I believe the HP Omen will be sponsoring Overwatch, the first-person shooter made by Blizzard. So I'm not sure.
I guess that's why they're gonna. Okay. I mean, everything kind of makes sense, but then you gotta ask why they only do a certain thing. So, we just pull from here or pull from here. Where should I pull it from? I want to make sure I'm pulling it properly. I'll hold the box. Oh, okay, the whole thing does come out. Okay. You got it?
You may need to use.
You think there's maybe tape? I should push it from the outside? From the bottom?
I think we just need to
Or
put
I'll
it
just hold
together.
it? Okay. There it comes, a little bit, yeah. There you go, here it comes. Okay. All right.
Put the box to the side.
Let's take this box off. Okay. So this is what we got. This is what it looks like, the foam part, how they foam it in here. Protect it. What's this, a little compartment in here? What's that?
Probably some sort of stand.
Some kind
Part
of
of the stand.
Part of the stand?
Yep.
This is part of the stand right here. Looks pretty cool. Very thick, very heavy.
That might be the beast
Wow, that's
amount.
heavy. Feel how heavy that is.
I think this is for the beast amount if you want to mount it on the wall.
You want to mount it? So it comes with everything to mount it on the wall as well.
You will need the arm.
You still need the arm.
Yes, and this will allow
so it
you
almost
to.
comes with everything.
I
Just
believe.
wondering because
We'll
I'm
see.
figuring.
I'm pretty
like
sure.
It comes with, so this is the manual, right? What, to hang it up on the wall or to plug it in?
Connections. How to
I mean, I know you know how to do this. I'm just saying this is.
We'll wing it.
What's this? Okay.
We got this.
All right. More instructions right here. This looks like more instructions and warranty. I don't know. Bunch of different wires. I'm not going to take any tags off yet, but there's a smart thing on here. It says model numbers and stuff. Oh, this is HDMI, right?
No, that's DisplayPort.
DisplayPort.
It looks very similar.
It looks almost similar, yeah.
So DisplayPort is the fastest cable
Power cord
for video.
For the power.
Yeah, for the monitor.
Right here for the monitor. Okay, so we got the power for the monitor right here. That comes in a little fancy. Looks pretty nice. All right. What's this one? Now we got this. This is USB to what? What is that?
I call it all-in-one. It has a different name.
Has a different name?
Yeah, but
I
always call it USB.
Fast? Why do they change it from here to here?
Usually like printers or other big devices use that, scanners. So
Okay.
this is, you plug it into the monitor, then goes into the computer, and then the monitor has USB ports on the side that you can use after if you have that plug in. Yes.
Okay, all right, okay. Those new technology, you never know, you know? That's why I'm like, oh man, all kinds of new stuff, you know? Let's see, this pulls off. Okay, good. This pulls off, we can throw that in there. So here is the monitor, right? Let's move this over here so I can pull this out. So this is all attached, it looks like, right? So I'm just gonna pull this whole thing out like this.
Seems to be attached.
Okay, so I'll pull
That's
this
interesting.
out. You pull this off.
That's the first time I see a monitor come assembled.
Completely attached, right?
Well,
Usually you have to attach stuff, right?
yeah,
Or no?
at the stand and stuff. That's very
Weird,
interesting.
right? Let's pull this out right here. There you go, pull that off. Nice. Huh?
Nice and sleek.
Nice and sleek.
It's
Oh
almost-
man, that looks pretty sexy.
It's almost frameless. I think.
Wow,
Doesn't
how thin that is. Yeah, I'll turn it around. You can see it from the back too. It looks pretty sexy from the back even. Look at that. Omen on the back. That looks pretty nice. Pull this. Oh, what is that? Oh, they put it together, so you have to actually rip this off. They must build it around it. Okay, got it.
Yep, comes assembled.
They build it around it. Okay,
Nice and
comes
easy.
assembled. What's
This
this
is
tag
a
right
sticker.
here? What is that? What is that tag?
Caution. Let's
Is
see.
that, what does that do? What is that?
I believe you remove this,
Okay.
and now it becomes adjustable. Now you can actually put it up and down. It's a way to lock it in place for shipment, I guess.
For just shipment.
So you don't really
so you
use
don't
this
use that
anymore.
anymore. You just
Yep.
throw that away when you're done. Okay,
Pretty
got
much.
it. All right, okay.
Unless you know you're driving with your monitor, maybe it's a good idea to put it in there. But
would this move on you? Would this even move on you? I don't think so.
I don't think
right?
so.
No,
It's
I don't
great.
think that's gonna move. Okay. Especially, you know, I mean, the quality of it. I don't think they would design it to move easily. Okay. Wow, it's heavy.
Yeah.
That base is heavy, which is good. That means it's
so
good.
it goes side, hold the base,
Hold that. Oh, hold the base.
and it's actually doesn't have a lot of movement. It goes
up and
up
down.
and down. Does it tilt? Nope, it doesn't
No, it looks pretty
portrait.
locked in
It's
there.
very limited in move. Basically, this
Okay.
monitor's aim is for gaming. So
Gaming only.
for-
First-person shooter
Yeah,
mainly, right?
yeah. So forget about
First-person shooter mainly.
mainly. It's
Okay.
that's the what it's made for. Pretty
What
much.
is going? Okay, here's the
So-
button. Oh, here's the button.
So forget about putting it on portrait mode,
There's the
landscape.
buttons right here. You can see those.
Yep. So it has a little joystick and a
Oh, and the power button. Oh, what's a joystick for? I guess to
To
just
change settings. It has a
change
bunch of
the-
settings.
It must have a lot of settings, right?
Yeah, it has a few.
I can
quite a few.
imagine how many are on this. All right. So this is just an open box of what we're doing. We're gonna make another video of us hooking it up and him playing games on it, so you guys can see the quality. We'll mention what kind of video card he has in the next video, so you guys can see it and get an idea if this will work for you, because it looks pretty cool. And hopefully he's excited with his you know, his purchase that he made, because then what's the point of it, right? You want to be
Right.
excited and know that your purchase is worth it, and be like, this is awesome. You know what I mean? Like, this kicks everyone's butt.
It's
you
either
know?
going to be amazing or it's getting returned.
Or it's getting returned. Exactly. We'll see. So next video, we'll have this hooked up, and we'll show you guys just what it looks like with his video card, and I'll mention it to you what his video card is and everything, so you know. And please comment below. Let me know if this helped you out. If you guys are looking into this, if you have any other questions or anything like that, please post them below. I'll try to answer as quick as possible, because by then Eddie will be using this for at least a couple of days, so he'll be able to answer some questions, and I can just ask him and he'll let me know. So please, and also subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, because I always do reviews on everything we buy and everything we get around the house, and also on do-it-yourself, little projects I like to do, little videos on that to help you out. So yeah, any requests or anything like that, please let me know, post below, and have a great day. Enjoy. Thank you very much, everybody.